Little driver, come pick your car. Airplane. Hello, how can I help you?
Are there any popular countries to visit? Help me pick one. I want to go there.
Japan. In the United States. The ticket is being printed. Please wait. Please take your ticket. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for takeoff. Passengers, please open the window shade. Fastening your seatbelt can keep you safe. Cabin check is complete. Please tap on the start button. Push the throttle. Slide the wheel. The plane took off successfully. We're on our way. Passengers, we will arrive in Japan shortly.
This is a...
Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please find all the safety hazards in the cabin. Passengers, the safety check is complete and you did a great... Passengers, we will arrive in Indonesia shortly. I would like to go sea fishing. There are so many fish here. Let's start fishing. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. Fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. Stop and see where the fish are. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. caught.
Let's enjoy the fish soup together.
Passengers, the meal service is now starting.
I'm done eating. I like the...
Passengers, we will arrive in the United States shortly.
Let's go and play a football match. We have to change into our football uniform before going to the match. Wear a helmet to protect our head.
The football match is about to start. Players, please get ready.
Don't let them steal the ball. Pass it to a teammate now.
Thank you for traveling on the Baby Bus flight, and we look forward to seeing you again.